most intense curry sauce, perfectly cooked tandoori style chicken. These are the elements of a good tikka masala. Now, you guys know that I love to test out tech because I like to make things as easy as possible at home, and I've been testing out a whole bunch of recipes in my new Panasonic combination steam microwave. This is one that I had to share. So many little hacks and cheats in one recipe. Let's make it, my friends, my cheats tikka masala. So the really crucial part of this recipe, I think, is all in the chicken. So we're gonna do the marinade first of all. You want to start off with chicken thighs. I've just cut these into nice little chunks, and I want to give it some seasoning and some flavor from the get-go. So some lemon juice here, some salt, just give that a mix. Let those ingredients do their thing for about 10 minutes or so. Now this marinating step is really important, but the other really important thing is the grilling that's going to happen later on. Now I've partnered with Panasonic for this episode, and I'm going to be using their combination steam microwave for this episode. This guy does so many different things. It oven bakes, it grills, does air fry style recipes, it steams, of course it microwaves as well. The other thing that I love is that it's very easy to clean, and the grill tray goes straight in the dishwasher. I love that. Okay, we're gonna be using lots of functions here, but we'll get to that later on. First of all, let's get back to our chicken. Now you can take the chicken, drain it really well, because I want this marinade mixture to stay a little dry so that we get a really good char and roast when we're cooking it later on. Now we're adding in more flavor and more tenderizing ingredients like our natural yogurt, also some garam masala. I'm using Kashmiri chili powder here, and also this great little hack that I found, which is tandoori color. This is a traditional little trick that most restaurants will use to get that really lovely bright red color. So chili powder for heat, tandoori color for color, add finely grated garlic, finely grated ginger, some sea salt, and some ghee. The color is just so good. Now, if you can be patient enough, this deserves to sit in the fridge overnight. That'll give it the best flavor. If you can't do that, you know, just get in there and start grilling, but I'm gonna do mine overnight. This is one that I prepared earlier. I also prepared my skewers yesterday as well. I soaked them in some water so they won't burn. Now we're gonna skewer. So that tandoori color is killer intense. So I would suggest putting on some gloves here so it doesn't look like you murdered someone today. Now stack up those skewers. I wanna load up that chicken, pop it onto your grill plate, and here are our chicken skewers. So I'm gonna put these into my Panasonic combination steam microwave, and here's the deal. So I tested this recipe in an oven. It took me 30 minutes to cook that chicken through, but because I'm using the combination setting here where I'm doing grill plus microwave power, this is only gonna take me 20 minutes. So while the chicken's doing its grilling, I'm going to mix the curry base. Okay, so finely chopped brown onion, some finely grated garlic, finely grated ginger, and here we go in with getting that color again and the spice. So Kashmiri chili powder plus some sweet paprika. This is gonna give you color but not too much heat. Turmeric, ground coriander, cardamom pods, tomato passata, some sugar, sea salt, and ghee. Give all of that a mix and it's done. So basically, it's the regular base mix that I would have for my tikka masala, but I'm gonna cook it down in the microwave. Are you ready? This is gonna be a really good reveal. I'm telling you. Are you ready? Are you sure? You got it? Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Okay, let's go. I mean, I'm being silly, but I'm not being silly. Check this out. I mean, this is so cool. Look at that color, that beautiful charriness on the top. Look how juicy these little pops of chicken are. Oh my goodness. You can have a little appreciation moment here for how good it looks. Okay, so you want to de-skewer these guys and set them aside for later. Now let's do the curry. I'm just going to put a plate on top of this bowl into the microwave and just regular old microwave power for 10 minutes. Uncover, and now we can start to build the dish. So pop your chicken pieces into the sauce. Also, any of that kind of like chickeny juice on the side, that stuff is gold. So put that in there as well. And we kind of want to loosen the mixture up a little bit too. So I've got some natural yogurt here that I've mixed with a little bit of water, and I'm also going to add in an extra cup of water here as well. Give that a stir, back into the microwave for another minute just to let everything make friends in there. And here it is. Now before we reveal the curry, pro tip on papadums. Okay, the trick to papadums in the microwave is brush with some oil, cover with paper towel top and bottom, into the microwave, 60 seconds, and that will give you the most evenly cooked crispy papadums that you can possibly make. All right, let's get back to this curry now. I mean, have a look in here. Oh my goodness, spoon that out into your bowl. And I mean, a sprinkling of coriander, and that looks like it came from your local Indian restaurant. Now that is my Cheats Tikka Masala. Look at that! Look at how legit that tikka masala looks. I love the color. I wish you guys could smell it right now. It smells so good. All right, I'm gonna get in here and try this. That is so good. Oh my God, the flavor. Oh, that's nice and spicy. Oh, I think if you want it mild, you should probably reduce the Kashmiri chili. But wow. The tenderness of that chicken is a real surprise as well. It's really juicy. I love this. So good.